Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. I know most of the subscribers are waiting for 200 technical term series, and I did part 11 and 200 technical term series. So therefore more students, they were comments in comments box, sir, continue the 200 technical term series. So let me start part 12 in the series of 200 technical term. Let's get started. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. Guys, we did in part 11 from 100 to 110. So now we will get start from 111 to 120. Okay, so let's start. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. Remember guys, in term number 111 I will tell you about PCC, plain cement concrete. As I told you before in many videos, that concrete is strong in compression but it's weak in tension. So therefore plain cement concrete is a type of concrete is used on member only or in structure only. Tensile force is not acting on it. So when the tensile force acting on any structure, especially in concrete structure, so don't use PCC, plain cement concrete, because concrete is strong in compression but it's weak in tension. So therefore if tensile force is acting on the member, so in that case the PCC should not be allowed, or PCC should not be used in that structure. Okay, so this is very important. The second one is dead load. So if someone asks from you what is dead load, because we have different types of loads acting on the building or any other structure for beam, column, slab, etc. So therefore remember one thing, the dead load means self weight of structure, self weight of beam, column, slab. Okay, so what is self weight of structure? The total weight of beam, column, slab, etc. or footing. Okay, so this is self weight of structure. So dead load means self weight of structure. Very simple. Okay, the third one is vibrating or vibration machine. We are using vibrating machine. And freshly made concrete is done to remove the air bubble in concrete mix. As you know, when you are actually when we are pouring concrete for slab, beam, column, so there it occurs bubbles. Okay, due to air. Okay, so air bubbles. To remove the air bubbles, okay, so that air bubbles can make the holes there, pores. Okay, so remove those air bubbles, we are using vibrating in fresh concrete. So therefore a vibrating machine is very important to use in building construction, especially for concrete. Okay, in fresh concrete we should use vibrating machine. Okay, the 114 term is about the weight of first class clay brick. Okay, clay brick, that is 3.85 kg. It should not be less than 3.85 kg. First class brick. Okay. Now the term number 115 is specific gravity. What is the specific gravity of cement, sand and brick? Okay. So the cement specific gravity is 3.16 gram per centimeter cube. For sand 2.65 gram per centimeter cube, and for brick 2 gram per centimeter cube. This is the specific gravity. So anyone can ask from you, especially in interview, especially for specific gravity. So these are the answer for those. Okay, the term number 116 is grade of concrete is denoted. If someone asks from you what is grade of concrete, so grade of concrete is denoted a cement, sand and aggregate. So when we combined cement, sand and aggregate, so that is called, and water. Okay, but water we can't say water here. That's why, because in grade of concrete we have three things: cement, sand and aggregate, and we have different grades of concrete for different RCC structures, for different member. So what is grade of concrete? So also we have different in different grade of concrete we have, for example, M5, M7.5, so M15, M10, M20. Okay, so we are using different grades of concrete for different RCC structures. Okay, for example, M15 ratio is 1.5:3, where 1 is cement and 1.5 is sand and 3 is aggregate or crush. Okay, so when we combined these material with each other with this ratio, so this is M20 grade concrete, where M is mix, stand for mix, and 20 is the strength of concrete after 28 days. So 20 is the strength, but in Newton per mm square, means 20 Newton per mm square. Okay, and M15 means 15 Newton per mm square, like 7.5, etc. Okay, the other one is 117 about hidden beams or concealed beam. Is we are using concealed beam or hidden beam in the slab. Okay, so why we are using, so hidden beams provide for greater span slab. So when we have greater span in slab or greater span of slab, so we should provide concealed beam. Okay, or hidden beam. Hidden beam, concealed beam is the same thing. The term number 118 is washroom wall or bath wall. Thickness should not be less than 6 inches. That's why, because inside washroom or bath we are providing the sanitary work. Okay, because for water, etc. So therefore, if the thickness of the wall is less than 6 inches, then we are not able to provide the plumbing work. Okay, so therefore, if the wall thickness is less than 6 inches, so therefore you are not able to use those things because it can decrease, and also it can make more problems, it can provide cracks, etc. So therefore, try to use 6 inches, not less than 6 inches. But by myself I am using 9 inches. That's why, because it is very important during cutting for the piping, for the plumbing pipes, we are cutting the wall. So therefore, if this is about 4 inches, so minimum 2.5 inches we are cutting the wall for the sanitary, etc. Okay, so guys, this is the part number 12 in the series of 200 technical terms. So hope the next video will be uploaded soon, part number 13. So if this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video and watch the other parts of this series. The link is in the description of this video, or you can see here. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.